Changing seasons. There is a sense of new seasons in the air. Freedom rings a song, a gong of a bell, so loud that the spirit man is at attention. It's time to spread your wings. It's time to write that next chapter of your life, carrying the blessings of old, blending them with the new, collecting our precious treasures, rewards for a job well done up to this point. Freedom is in the air. Partnerships are in full swing. Destinies, divine destinies are activated for the unfolding chapter. A clear canvas is laid out for you. Write whatever you wish to experience. Draw what you see in your mind's eye. Paint what your imagination has seen. It's a new day, a new dawn, a life filled with bliss. The seasons are changing. Change with them. Change with them.